Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where the touchpad cursor disappears in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process to fix it. So first of all, search for the word touchpad in the Windows search bar and open touchpad settings. Okay, now check if touchpad is off, then turn it on. This is one thing. And then you can also search for mouse. I'll tell you later why, but first of all, see how. Search for mouse settings and then go to additional mouse settings here. Okay, there will be an option which says pointer options. Uncheck this box which says hide pointer while typing. Click on apply and OK, and then close it. Now here's the thing, if a touchpad is connected to your system and a mouse is also connected to your system, how would you distinguish whether the pointer is connected to the mouse or the touchpad? There's no way to distinguish it usually. So if the mouse properties say that the pointer should be hidden, then it will be hidden, and it's not necessary that you're calling it the touchpad cursor, because it is simply the cursor. Whether you control it with the mouse or touchpad is a different matter. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.